What kind of cookware is suitable for a glass ceramic stovetop? I have a glass ceramic stove surface. I need to buy some cookware, but I'm not sure what kind I need to buy. The manual has the following opinions about what cookware I should use. Paraphrased, aluminum. Care must be taken when using aluminum because it can break, fuse to, or mark the stove surface copper. May leave metal marks on stove surface. Stainless steel. Uneven cooking results. Cast iron. Not recommended. Porcelain-enamel on metal. Heating characteristics vary based on core material. Coating must be smooth or it will scratch the stove surface. Glass. Not recommended. Based on that information, it seems stainless steel or porcelain enamel on metal are the only two types that aren't going to ruin the stove surface, and that I'll get the best results while cooking if I choose porcelain enamel. However, I see mixed opinions all over the net about what is suitable for the glass ceramic stove surface. One article one found was here. http://www.ehow.com/how_4499460_cookware-ceramic-glass-cooktop.html. See link. 1. Contrary to what my manual says, this person says I should include cast iron cookware in sets. What kind of cookware can I buy that will not damage my glass ceramic stove surface?
I wouldn't pay much attention to this list. I would just get my cookware based on what functionality I need, not based on what my stove manufacturer says. The idea of not using cast iron on glass to protect the glass from scratches is as perverse as keeping a sun hat in the closet and going to the beach bareheaded to protect the sun hat from color fading. Your stove's purpose isn't to gleam, it is to cook. The manufacturer probably tries to shield himself from customer complaints. Your stove got scratches. Nothing we can do, you treated it against our recommendation. This would explain the overly cautious list. I have an induction stove with a glass plate myself. I don't have cast iron cookware from the type common in the US, lodge pans and similar, but I have a wrought iron pan, not seasoned on the outside. It developed black rust during seasoning the inside, as well as something which I suspect must be ferrous sulfide. It is smoother than cast iron, but rougher than a typical stainless steel pan. I regularly use it on my stove. Also, I regularly clean the stove with a mild abrasive, equivalent to Unilever's brand Sif, and once or twice, I had a baked-on spill which wouldn't go away with this cleaner, so I used a steel wool scouring pad instead. I worked gently, but still applied enough force to remove the residues. After cleaning and polishing with a glass ceramic cleaner, my stove literally mirrors the ceiling. I bet it has less scratches than my phone screen. So, I think that all the stories about iron cookware damaging the stovetop are greatly exaggerated. But if you are really scared, you can sand and season the bottom. The other claims are also dubious. Alu melts at 660 degrees Celsius. You probably won't reach it even if you forget an empty pan on high for hours. Nobody uses pure copper pans anyway, and if it is an inner layer of a sandwich bottom, there is no way it will leave marks. And so on. Only the glass warning is good. Not because it would damage the stove, but because you risk the glass vessel itself to shatter. Bottom line. Buy based on what material is best for cooking whatever you plan to cook. The stove should be able to take it. And if you are rough and it does get a scratch or two, then I don't see why it should bother you. It is a tool, not a fashion statement.